Let them know. Hold up. My squad about to roll up. Hello React Native developers, I hope you are well. William here, recording from beautiful Zurich, Switzerland. Today I am challenging Ben Awad to a game of Clash of Code. I don't like my chances, I think it's gonna be very embarrassing for me, but I don't think you can use Vim binding in Clash of Code, so that might give me a chance. Let's have a look.
Alright, so I'm about to be facing off against William here, and it's good when you're about to go into a heated match to get your mindset in the right place. So right now I am just envisioning William as an Angular dev, so let's go. You have to pass maximum tests, fast possible, clash now. You have a special IP address, you must enter the open port. You don't have so much time to scan all the ports, but you know the open port is equal to the sum of the digits, not the numbers. What?
So we're gonna split our characters, do a reduce, and number index, we start at 0. If index is 1, we multiply. If index is 0, we return the value, else we add. Something like this.
Oh, what the heck? This is the easiest problem in my life. Just IP dot. By the way, we're doing this in Python, guys. I thought I was going to need to do this, and oh my gosh, what the heck is this? Why is this the easiest of my life? So parts. I'm surprised no one else has finished it yet. First part is equal to parts 0. And then we're just going to loop through all the parts. So for part and parts. And we need to then split it by each character. So for letter in the part. And then we need to parse each one as an int. And then we just need to add it to the sum. So sum is 0. By the way, all single letters here, guys. And we just add that. And then we multiply it times the first letter, which is first part, and then we need to get the first letter of the first part, make that an int. I need to be in them. This is annoying. And just print s. Come on. Go. Guys, where am I winning or losing here? Hey, let's go. First place, 231. Why are these guys going so slow?
I guess I need to split by characters, filters, one which are dots, and parse the number. So maybe I should skip the first number. So if I equals 0, I return 0. We add everything else, and then I take the first number, and I multiply. Oh my gosh, it's done already. Come on. Plus, I am just embarrassing myself. This is terrible. Okay, looks good. I submit.
Hey, he got there. Oh my gosh, he's writing in TypeScript. That's a mistake. That's a mistake right there.
All right, let's do this.
Round 2. Ready, go!
shortest mode. Print OK if the super long integer end is not divisible by 4. Okay, so
if n is divisible by 4, mod 4 equals 0, print if it's not divisible, print okay if it's not divisible, and this if it is. What the heck is this problem? I hate this problem. This is not a problem. Okay. I just submit. I'm not even gonna do playtest cases. Are you kidding me?
And modulo 4 equals 0. Oh. Okay, and I guess I need to put it into a console log. Can I make this bigger somehow? No. Oh, okay.
I'm actually tilted because I think why I lost because of this, I think. I went for the kill by not running test cases, and then I just killed myself.
Round 3. Ready, go!
In an elementary school, the teacher is making all the students take turn in reading a story. This is done by assigning the students in a first to last list, then having each child read the next paragraph of the story. If every student has read the order of students, reading repeats from the beginning of the first to the last list until the story is completely read. For example, if the first to last list is of 3 students, Jimmy, Joanne, Jason, and the story is 5 paragraphs long, the reading session would go like Jimmy, paragraph 1, Joanne, paragraph 2, Jason, paragraph 3, Jimmy, paragraph 4, Joanne, paragraph 5.
Your aim is to find the child who read the last paragraph of the story.
So we have the names. And are these the number of paragraphs, I guess?
I wonder, I'm pretty sure I'm just supposed to do mod to figure this out, by the way, is how you do this.
So I want to do an array which is a length of p. So p is the number of paragraph. We map return the index, and now I need the array of names. And now I want to map a paragraph. So I'm gonna go to name I modulo of names dot length. And I should take the last one here. Let's play the test cases. Looks good. Should I submit now or should I wait for... Looks good. And I see that Ben didn't submit it yet. So
P is the number... Wait, N is the list of N names. I'm so confused.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here are the names. I had this problem and then I got really confused for no reason. So the length of names divided by N, and what is N? So P is 20. This is 3. I don't care about N, I only care about P. It gets this. Yeah, we just lost to somebody. We can see it on the left. Found nothing. List index out of range, but we modded it. -1 maybe. When in doubt, off by 1 error.
So Ben is still clashing, but how short is this gonna be?
I hate my life. Why did I give myself this problem? If v is equal to 0, v is now equal to the length of names minus 1. I'm not quite sure this is good. I need to think about this holistically for a second. Maybe I need to do the length of names minus 1, so this is now 0, and now mod that by p. I think that's what, you kidding me? Okay, that's my problem. There we go. This is actually just a disaster. Really? Oh, no length. I just need to go next. I just need to go next. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, so we lost by half the time to William on this one. He used way more characters than us. He's using TypeScript though, that's probably it.
Okay, I think I really misunderstood the instructions. I tried to submit something as quick as possible, but obviously, damn it, I lose again.
Damn it!
Oh. Wait, I actually won?
Okay, so I really misunderstood the instructions here. I thought time was still in play, but obviously, no, you have time if you can make it shorter. Ah, I'm such a noob. But okay, let's have a rematch.
3, 2, 1, go!
Fastest mode, you have to pass as fast as possible. Given two numbers, A and B, you have to count how many numbers within a range belong to the following categories. Multiples of A, but not B. Multiples of B, but not A. Multiples of both. Neither. For example, okay, the number count. Okay, A and B.
What?
So for I and range S to E. And this is inclusive. Oh man, stop is exclusive, which means I need to add 1, I think. So we're gonna just go through the range here, and then we have group. Okay. Thing 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is our output, and then we're just going to print thing, and then we're just going to join it by a space here. This one is going to be like that, and then here we're just going to have a bunch of if statements. If divisible by A, if I mod A and I mod B are both equal to 0, then I need to say thing multiples of both is the third array, so that's 2 plus equal 1. If I mod A is equal to 0, thing 0 1. If I mod B is equal to 0, thing multiples of B but not A plus equal 1. And if all of these, this is going to be an LF else thing, yeah, 3 plus equal 1. And lay test cases, really nothing. Expected a string instance. I have to make these into strings. That's really annoying. I forget how to map over this. All right, this could lose it for me, guys, but we're gonna go for a map because I feel like being cool. X. Can I remember my syntax? strx, maybe like that. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Excellente.
Meanwhile,
so new array e minus s okay, and now I guess we just do a filter. So we have C1, it's gonna be, so for each number, no, what am I doing here actually? It's I plus start. Okay. So we filter if I modulo A equals 0 and I modulo B is different from 0. And then C2, it's the other way around. Oops. So B, A, and C3 multiples of both. Perfect. And none of the above. Is Ben done already? Someone seems to be done already. Come on, come on. And then console log. Oh my gosh. He's killing me. C1, C2 length. C3 length. This is so stressful. I've never been so stressed in my life. Oh my gosh. Let's run some test cases. Wondering if...
All right. Well, I'm on break here. So what I think is going to screw up a lot of people is just they didn't put the +1 in the range.
one eternity later.
So inclusive, so +1. Okay. Whoa. Let's see if I got it correctly. Yes.
Hey.
Good game, Ben. Good game.
What can I say? I came to play.
This is the last round.
So given a string of space separating number, calculate the product of all the sums of the digits of each number.
So for A and X, so it's added and then multiplied. Okay. So we're just going through each digit. And then this is a local sum. And then we're just say local sum plus equal the integer of B. And then S multiplied times the local sum. And then we're going to print S.
So we're going to split by space. And then, so we're going to map to a number. And now we need to do a reduce. So accumulation. And element. And we multiply these elements. So it's A times, should maybe be 1 here, A times E. But E, we need to get the sum of E. So E, we're gonna split. So maybe this one we don't do the parse int here. So we split E, we parse. And maybe, can I do this? Parse int directly to save characters, and this one we need to parse int. And we need to do the sum here. So reduce 0 A E A plus E. Something like that.
Test. Let's just see if this is right. No, wait, what? Valid literal for A and X. Thinking I split this one. Okay. They've literally split every single string for me, but this one, they're like, nah, fam. All right, so we can code golf this. We can subtract this by 1. So we're gonna call him Q. And I mean, I don't see how we're getting much shorter here. I think we're just gonna call this good. All right, we did not test it. Let's test it real quick. This is not a speed contest. All right, guys, 129 characters, beat that.
But now if I have to fight TypeScript errors, this is gonna be... Okay, so let me go back to 1 A parse int, and this one I'm gonna convert back to a string. Okay. Okay, so Ben is done.
Okay, so let me think for a second. How would I make this smaller? I don't know. This is there's probably something.
So I want to do parse int of A. Here we have a string.
All right, William's really tanking on this one. Yeah, he's still going.
Why is he complaining here?
One eternity later.
Reduce A plus. But actually it doesn't sound too bad. Let me just do parse int of E converted as a string.
Let's see what TypeScript can do for us here.
Is it because of this guy here? Because of this. Okay, I can probably make it shorter.
I feel like he's gonna lose because he just has to have const everywhere. Or I guess he's gonna use let so he can have -1 characters.
Can we make it even shorter? I don't know. I mean, does this count if I remove the... I don't know. Good enough for me.
Damn it!
He tried so hard to reduce his limit.
Okay, so this is pretty shameful. Ben crushed me completely. But yeah, for sure, it was a lot of fun and very stressful as well. But I hope I'm gonna train and I hope I can get my rematch against Ben. But Ben, good game.